Welcome students. Lesson number 9, Discount and Commission. Today we are going to study commission and we are going to solve practice set 9.2. So what is mean by commission? Sometimes it is not possible for a company to sell their manufactured goods. In such a case, the company assigns responsibility of selling the goods. The work of selling goods is often done by a person or an organization other than the manufacturer. The remuneration received for this service is called as a commission. The person who provides such a type of service is called commission agent. Commission is received from the seller or the buyer or from both. Now what is mean by rebate? The organizations like Khadi Gram Udyog, handloom shops, handicraft selling centers, bachat groups, etc. give attractive discount on special occasions. The individuals having income up to certain limit also receive some discount on their payable income tax. So the amount of discount compensated by the government is called as a rebate. Now here we have to use the formula for commission. Commission is equal to percentage commission into selling price. Commission is always given on the selling price. Therefore, commission is equal to percentage commission into selling price. And formula for rebate is a cost into rate of rebate. Now let's solve practice set 9.2. Question number 1. John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. Now in this example we have given the activity and we have to fill the boxes here. Selling price of books. Here selling price of books is rupees 4,500. Therefore here we write rupees 4,500. Rate of commission. Now rate of commission is 15. Commission obtained. Now here is the formula for commission. Commission is equal to percentage commission into selling price. Now rate of commission is 15. That is percentage of commission is 15%. 15% means 15 upon 100 into selling price is 4,500. So 15 upon 100 into 4,500. If we calculate this, then we get commission is equal to rupees 675. 675 rupees. Now example number 2. Example number 2. Rafiq sold flowers worth rupees 15,000 by giving 4% commission to the agent. Find the commission he paid. Find the amount received by the Rafiq. Here we have given selling price, that is SP, rupees 15,000, and commission on this selling price is 4%. Now formula for commission is commission percent into selling price. So commission percent is 4% into selling price, means 4% of selling price. 4% means 4 upon 100 into selling price is 15,000. So is equal to this 0 will get cancelled and its answer will be rupees 600. So this is commission for Rafiq. Now amount received by Rafiq. So amount received by Rafiq will be selling price minus commission. So selling price is a 15,000 and commission is a 600. 15,000 minus 600, that will be rupees 14,400. So amount received by Rafiq is equal to 14,400 rupees. Now let's see example number 3. Example number 3. A farmer sold food grains for rupees 9,200 through an agent. Rate of commission was 2%. How much amount did the agent get? Here we have given the selling price, that is SP, rupees 9,200, and commission on this selling price is given 2%, and we have to find the total commission. So formula for commission is equal to commission percentage into selling price, that is 2% of selling price. Commission percent is 2, therefore 2% of selling price, 2% means 2 upon 100 into selling price 9,200. These 2 zeros will get cancelled, so 92 into 2, it will be rupees 184. It will be rupees 184. Now the next example, example number 4. Umatai purchased the following items from a Khadi Bhandar. Number 1, 3 saris for rupees 560 each. Number 2, 6 bottles of honey for 90 each. On the purchase, she received a rebate of 12%. How much total amount did Umatai pay? Now we have to find the cost of 3 saris. So number 1 here, the cost of 3 saris. Cost of 3 saris is equal to 1 sari is for 560. Therefore cost of 3 saris will be 3 into 560, that will be rupees 1,680. Now let's find the cost of bottles. The cost of 6 bottles. 6 bottles of honey. 1 bottle is for rupees 90. So this is rupees 90. So cost of 6 bottles will be 6 into 90 is equal to rupees 540. Now the total cost. So total cost is equal to cost of 3 saris 1,680 plus cost of 6 bottles 540. So this addition will be rupees 2,220. Now rebate, formula for rebate. Rebate is equal to cost into rate of rebate. Cost into rate of rebate. So total cost here is a 2,220 into Rate of rebate. Rate of rebate here, what is the rate of rebate? 12%. Therefore 12% means 12 upon 100. Therefore if we calculate this value, we will get rupees 266.40. Now we have to find the amount paid. So amount paid is equal to total cost minus rebate. Total cost minus rebate. So total cost is 2220 minus rebate is 266.40, and this answer if we do, then we will get rupees 1953.60. Therefore our last answer is Umatai paid rupees 1953.60. Students, example number 5 is for homework. The students, we have completed lesson number 9, discount and commission.